how to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17. Alright, so let's begin. To downgrade to iOS 17, you'll need to download the IPSW file for the last available version. You can do this by going to this website and selecting iPhone, then clicking on your iPhone model. Now click the latest signed version and then click download. There are ads on this site, so make sure to scroll down and click the download button. It may take 30 minutes or more for the software to download, so be prepared for a wait. You can't restore your iPhone until you turn off the Find My feature. Now open the Settings app and snap your username at the top, and then select Find My iPhone at the top of the menu, then toggle off Find My iPhone. If stolen device protection is activated, you'll need to turn that off before you can turn off Find My. To do this, open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. Then enter the passcode for your iPhone. Next, tap Stolen Device Protection and toggle to switch to the off position. If you're using a Mac, you'll be using Finder to do the following steps on a Windows computer. Use eTunes. You may be prompted to trust your computer on your iPhone screen. Before you can continue, you'll see an icon representing your iPhone in the left sidebar menu Finder or iTunes. Once you plug your phone in, click on it to open the device menu. Hold down Option Mac or Shift PC and click Restore iPhone. A window will open where you can browse for the apps while you download it. You should see it in your Downloads folder until you selected a different destination. Click the iPad's file and then click Open. You'll see a pop-up warning you that your iPhone will be wiped and your selected version of iOS will be installed. After that, click Restore to confirm. Wait for the restoration to complete. If you have a backup that you made before you upgraded to iOS 18, you can install it now. Otherwise, you need to set up your iPhone from scratch. So that's basically how you can downgrade from iOS 18 to 17. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.